while back, we visited Hollywood Studios, and Mike said the following at the beginning of that video. You ready to get on that, Mike? You think so, or you know so?
I think I'm getting on it.
So now you think. You was gung-ho about getting on it 5 minutes ago.
I think, like yesterday, I think I'm getting on it.
But if we go there, you're gonna get on it, right?
Yes. And if we're in the line, if I put 1 foot in the line, we can get on it.
Now here we are, some couple months later. That is our destination. And this guy is gonna ride for the first time. How you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What do you expect to accomplish today?
Chippendale Rescue Rangers.
Huh?
There's Chippendale Rescue Rangers.
Yep, Chippendale Rescue Rangers. If y'all haven't watched this movie already, get on Disney Plus and watch it. It is phenomenal. I loved it.
I've seen it.
You did see it. What'd you think about it?
It was good.
Yeah, it was great. Now, what do you expect to accomplish today?
I expect to accomplish Tower of Terror.
All right, but you're good?
Yes.
You feeling good about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think
But I can't forget about that one part where you go up and you see the whole view of the park and it takes a picture of you and then you drop.
Yeah. Well, you know there's multiple drops, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, all right, so you know what to expect.
Yes.
All right. We're headed to Tower of Terror. Mike's first time.
Why wouldn't it be multiple drops?
Because that's how it is now. I remember when it was only just one drop. I rode the Tower of Terror the day it opened, and there was just one big, solid, fast drop. It almost sent my mom to the hospital. It was crazy. Miss Marvel. I still need to watch. I haven't watched it yet. So anyway.
But did you watch all the Disney Plus movies with your mom?
Mike, I watched all the Disney movies way before Disney Plus was even a thing.
That's what I was thinking.
I watched all the Disney movies on VHS.
Me too.
No, you didn't.
That's good.
Mike, you're only 6 years old. VHS has long been out of style.
But it's gonna be awesome.
We'll see you when we get there. We got Donald and Daisy Duck here. They getting it. Hey, hey, hey.
M-I-C, K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E, Donald Duck.
Love it. Say hey to Donald. Say hey to Donald Duck, Mike.
I go way back, Donald. Okay. You and Daisy.
Hey Donald, are we ever gonna see Kingdom Hearts in the parks? Are we ever gonna see Kingdom Hearts in the parks? Yeah, we should. You're a huge part of that. You literally casted a spell that no other Final Fantasy character ever could. That was awesome. We are here in line. You can hear the screams of the helpless victims as they drop to the gift shop. And here is the first timer, just anticipating every second of this 95-minute wait. What's going through your mind right now, boy? You just ready, ain't you?
Yeah, I just want to get on it.
Well, this line seems to be moving pretty quick.
Oh, I want to get on it quicker.
I know you do. If it was up to us, we can do it. But this is all part of the anticipation. So we've been waiting a while, and we're just shy of the halfway point of the line. How you feeling? Good. Still excited? You've seen it go up and down a couple of times. So, yeah, at this point, you're ready. And storm clouds are rolling in. Well, you're gonna have to hold it because we can't leave the line. All right. Boy, it's crazy over here playing. So Goofy is here entertaining the line. How's it going, Goofy? You say hi to Goofy? Yeah, you say hi to Goofy. There you go. What's up, Max? The Goofy movie is the greatest animated movie of all time. Of all time. I dare someone to tell me I'm wrong. Oh wait, hold up. What's he doing? What's he got? What's he doing here? What's Max doing here? He's asking if it was yours.
Is that yours?
Tell him nah. Oh.
I want the rubber chicken. It's mine.
That is hilarious.
Oh, we're at the free.
Oh yeah, we're just about there. We're on the inside. We're just about inside, finally. Some real Haunted Mansion vibes.
Even though this next area is actually a cakewalk.
It is a cakewalk. Real intimidating at first glance. That is an eerie looking statue.
I'm gonna scratch it.
Hopefully it don't scratch you back.
No, I'm not gonna.
So we're here at the library. It is mean. So we're here at the library, waiting for the doors to open. The library is where the pre-show will take place. We've been waiting here for what feels like forever. I'm sorry, but that is an eerie looking statue. I got y'all. Look, we made him jump.
That we did.
Made him jump. We are in the library. Now, it's been a few years since I've been in here. This bookcase wasn't always closed off like this. I think they were tired of people picking books off the shelves. And look at this old TV set. This old black and white. You can play Cuphead on this thing, I guarantee it. Rig it the right way. Yeah. Why my picture keep going out of focus? There we go. Uh-oh.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique. It calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you.
Why?
We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
And now we are in the basement, heading for the service elevator that will take us to our doom within the Twilight Zone. And the boy is not afraid. He says, "Bring it on, for I have no fear whatsoever."
Can you stop it?
Yeah, okay, fine. We have arrived. All right, Mike, moment of truth. You ready? This is it. We are in row 1. We in the front.
All bags must go on the ground.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board,
We'll see you on there.
with your seatbelt fastened.
This is it, buddy. We're here. We on here. I better hold on to this camera. Ooh, freaky.
Are we gonna drop now?
Not yet.
That door is open once again. This time, it's opening for you.
The drops start probably after this part. The drops, I think, are gonna start after this part. I gotta hold my camera with both hands.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest
There we go.
part of
We're lining up.
in the Tower of
This is
Terror.
it. You ready?
Yep.
Breathe, boy. Whoa! Whoa! Holy crap! I don't remember it being that crazy. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Ah! Oh my God! It dropped so fast. It's not recording. Oh my God! It's going crazy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Oh God! Whoa! Oh! I can't tell where we're coming or going. It's, oh my God! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! You like it, Mike? Man, that was intense. I haven't written that in years. Crazy. Where we at? Look at me, I'm holding the camera. Right there. That's the thumbnail right there. And there you have it, folks. Mike just conquered the Tower of Terror. Woo! How you feel? Good? Huh?
I got a headache.
You got a headache? But you're good though, right?
Now it's my second favorite ride.
Now you can say you've done it. Add that to the list, because you know what's next? The Velocicoaster.
Yep.
And we're going to be bringing you that video soon. But in the meantime, thanks for coming to Hollywood Studios with us and riding the...
The next time we're going to Universal, we'll get that video to you.
Yep, that's right. But thanks for coming to Hollywood Studios with us. Thanks for riding the Tower of Terror with us. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And smack the insert word here out of the bell so you know when we go live with some brand new stuff.
Smack it. And look how much it is at.
It's at 1:15. All right, we got to call your mama and tell her that you wrote it. Thanks for coming with us. We'll see y'all next time.
Peace.
Brown out.